But this helicopter, no, this is plenty of power, people. Fighting with the winds. This point right here, overall I will say it's holding its position really well. Unlocked options. See how it is stopped quickly? So you can set braking force. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. I'm still on this field. This is FlyWing Bell 206, and if you look at the windsock and Chinese flag, it's very windy. Let's fly it. Just now I tested it. It actually holds its position hold. Really nice GPS position, and actually flies very well in this much wind. Taking off in GPS position hold. Let's fly it around. So this video will tell you and show you that you can fly FlyWing Bell 206 even on windy days. Basically FlyWing helicopters like Huey UH1, FW450s, the V3, all of these you can fly in high winds as well. So I will leave the helicopter here, look at the windsock and Chinese flag in the background, and hold on, I'm flying with Radiomaster TX16S, so I need to figure out the mid throttle. And let's see, hold on, the wind will actually, the gust will move the helicopter up and down, but apart from that, you can see, hold on, right here, it's fighting with the winds. This point right here, overall I will say it's holding its position really well in all these winds. Oh, gusty, but look at that. Sweet, man, flies very well in GPS position hold mode. So how is the return to home performance? Look at that, the helicopter is there, tail to my side, throttle to mid, not zero. It goes up, okay, turns its head towards me, coming back. Oh, I can hear from the sound of the blade how the wind is actually slapping it. My car is here, slight deviation, but it's going back to almost that location where I took off from. Wind is pushing backward. So basically I would say this is the place I took off from, I believe. And despite of all that, look at that, windsock is almost straight. The helicopter landed safely. People, despite of all those winds, gusts and everything, looking at the windsock, I'm getting scared. I'm getting chills actually. The helicopter came back and landed very well. Okay, now, while I still have some battery, I'm gonna come up to this location and set it to circle mode.
4 minutes.
By the way, this helicopter is calibrated by Mr. Pang only in the factory one time, and after that I am really far from the factory. However, it's doing very well without any compass calibration. Pass-through mode, that is a figure 8 mode, so let's see how it's flying that. And by the way, I'm using a smaller battery, the same battery that I use for FW450 V3. And you see it's holding its altitude pretty good as well during all these auto flights. Despite all those winds slapping it, it's actually, mashallah, doing very well. And this time, if you notice, they also removed those transparent plastic parts for windows and windshield, and they have a complete canopy, fiberglass canopy colored. So looks good actually, looks beautiful and flies beautiful. So 3D mode. I hope I don't crash it. But this is my favorite mode to fly.
6 minutes.
I like its speed, man. I like to fly them at high speed. Sweet. By the way, I have turned off the low voltage auto return to home, and that's why I'm, pushing the battery to its limits. Man, it's really feels light with all this power it has now. All this power it has now, it feels light. Before, I remember the previous model of Bell 206, if I fly in 3D mode or GPS mode and I go fast, I felt it was underpowered. But this helicopter, no, this is plenty of power, people. Just like Huey UH1, this one also has plenty of power to fly and to give you a beautiful flight performance that you actually want out of your helicopter. So this has improved much more. And what's more, with 1.9 version assist program update, you have unlocked options. See how it stopped quickly? So you can set braking force, forward movement, backward movement, left, right, cyclic, braking force, speed, swash gain. You have so many controls now that you can play with and make your Bell 206 fly the way you want it to fly, or fly like me. I fly like I stole it. All right, let me land because I have to catch another meeting in Huizhou and I have to drive. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is FlyWing Bell 206 running H1 Lite with new 1.9 version assist program and update.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.